Billy down.
Billy down.
Billy down. Holy shit, we're talking about a out-of-body experience, man. Oh my goodness.
Oh, it looks nice, eh?
Yeah, he looks nice.
Shit, yeah.
Holy shit.
Good old Billy.
Good old Billy.
What do you reckon?
I don't even have words, man. Waited my whole life to do something like this.
That's
It was
awesome.
perfect, man. Perfect stock.
That's awesome, eh?
Popped over.
65 yards.
65 yards. Wind kicking.
Yeah.
Hey, you don't have to worry about the wind at
We fucking
65 yards.
Bloody nailed it, eh?